Hello, so today I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how to open up a home care agency here in Wisconsin. First, you're going to come up with a plan of operation, basically detailing what you're going to do, who you're going to serve, what areas you're going to service, such as, for example, I serve the elderly in the Milwaukee County and surrounding areas. Basically, write out a business plan on that and how you're going to operate, such as I will serve the elderly taking private pay or private pay and Medicare, Medicaid, or any insurance carrier that you're trying to take on. After that's done, you're pretty much just going to come up with a business plan detailing all of what I said in a bigger, broader spectrum. So when that's done, you are going to go to you're going to go to the wisconsin.gov website / LLC lookup. So that will be here. And then that search bar, you're just going to search up whatever name you're trying to have your business as to make sure that there is no other business name like that, so you don't get sued. So for business reasons, you're going to go to this website to make sure that whatever name you're using is free to use. After that's all done, then you're going to go to the IRS website here. And on the left hand side, you'll see a tab that says operating a business. That pretty much just explains everything that you need. You see that at the top, after you search it in, you see the EIN number, record keeping, business name, page, and etc. So that website will pretty much just give you everything you need, from getting your EIN number, applying for your LLC, filing business taxes, business structures, and everything in between. So if you need help, just either search that up on the site to make sure you're doing everything correctly, or call the number that's at the bottom of the page. First, after doing all of that and going to the site, you're just going to go to EIN here, and then it's going to show this site, and it just goes to show or explain how you need to get an EIN, if you need one, and what to know before you apply. So all of that will be here on this page. So first you're going to get that, and then after that's done, after EIN, you're going to search up in the business tab of the IRS website the LLC application. And here's where you're going to apply, and then add in your EIN number, your business name, all of your business information, address, phone number, um, your name, your personal information. And then once that application is set, pay the required fees, and then go over to the State of Department of Revenue website here. And you're just going to register your business with the state, so that when you do gain employees or decide to pay yourself, that you can use this business tax ID number to file your taxes and pay taxes as well. Once that is all said and done, you'll head over to the DHS website here. And then you're just going to type in PCA, or go to the license care and registration tab to search that up to make sure you're looking for the right requirements. After that, you're just going to go to the application and process tab on the right hand side there, and basically just read up on everything that you're trying to find out, such as how to open, what you need to open, the required documents, um, the application process. The application is also in there, the codes, everything that you need to be up to date with. um, so it'll show you all of those blue underlined things are basically just the applications and the documents you need to send in to be a certified licensed personal care agency here in Wisconsin. So here will be all of the requirements. So just a pretty long list of all of the required documentation you need to fill out and send in, such as the orientation package, bank statements, client records, the plan of operation I spoke about earlier, the background checks, the qualifications, administrator, RN, and things of that nature. Pretty much just gonna write or create all of those documents that I showed, and in the midst of all of that, you can just be making marketing tools such as business cards, flyers, posts on social media, getting your name out, getting the word out, so that when you have all of these sent in or in the process of getting them sent in, you're still getting clients. And also, you don't have to be licensed to have private pay clients. So in the midst of all of that, if you do so happen to gain a private pay client in the midst of you getting certified, the state also wants that information on. They also want that information on hand, so when they come out to do their inspection to license you, and also for Medicare and Medicaid to license you, it should be on hand. And also, you have to have at least 2 to 3, I believe, clients you're servicing before you can get licensed. Once you send all of that in, let's say that the license application was accepted and you want to be Medicare Medicaid certified, you will go to the Medicare Medicaid certified tab at the bottom and pretty much just apply, and they'll come out, do the same inspection that the Department of Health Services did, either license you or not license you, and then you can start accepting Medicare Medicaid clients, which is pretty much any insurance carrier here in Wisconsin. Then you can start accepting clients, getting more money, getting more revenue, being able to pay all of your expenses such as marketing, bills, and those of that nature. And in between you filling out the application to send in to DHS, you're gonna find an office space. So you can go here. This is LoopNet, so this is pretty much every office space here in the area you want it to be serviced in. So the red dots are pretty much just all of the spaces that they have available. You can go to